Hey Tom, this is Soren. I talked to Freddy yesterday. He said the lift went back already. My ankle was a little bit bruised. Uh, I was hoping to get it from the lift so I can maybe skim this entire thing over here. But from the ladder I have to take the stucco up with a little plastic bag. You never have enough in your hand. I filled up these holes as best as I could on a ladder, and hopefully this will help you. Thank you, boss. Hey, what about this stucco repair downstairs? I noticed these guys are working over there. You have somebody